Hey friends, welcome to Guide Health and Benefits. Today we will discuss 13 foods that are good for high blood pressure. Before we begin, we publish new content every day, so be subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification for the latest videos. Number 1. Leafy greens. Potassium helps your kidneys get rid of more sodium through your urine. This in turn lowers your blood pressure. Leafy greens, which are high in potassium, but frozen vegetables contain as many nutrients as fresh vegetables, and they're easier to store. You can also blend these veggies with bananas and nut milk for a healthy, sweet green juice. Number 2. Berries. Berries, especially blueberries, are rich in natural compounds called flavonoids. One study found that consuming these compounds might prevent hypertension and help lower blood pressure. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are easy to add to your diet. You can put them on your cereal or granola in the morning, or keep frozen berries on hand for a quick and healthy dessert. Number 3. Red beets. Beets are high in nitric oxide, which can help open your blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Researchers also found that the nitrates in beetroot juice lowered research participants' blood pressure within just 24 hours. You can juice your own beets or simply cook and eat the whole root. Beetroot is delicious when roasted or added to stir-fries and stews. You can also bake them into chips. Be careful when handling beets. The juice can stain your hands and clothes. Number 4. Skim milk and yogurt. Skim milk is an excellent source of calcium and is low in fat. These are both important elements of a diet for lowering blood pressure. You can also opt for yogurt if you don't like milk. According to the American Heart Association, women who ate 5 or more servings of yogurt a week experienced a 20% reduction in their risk for developing high blood pressure. Try incorporating granola, almond slivers, and fruits into your yogurt for extra heart-healthy benefits. When buying yogurt, be sure to check for added sugar. The lower the sugar quantity per serving, the better. Number 5. Oatmeal. Oatmeal fits the bill for a high-fiber, low-fat, and low-sodium way to lower your blood pressure. Eating oatmeal for breakfast is a great way to fuel up for the day. Overnight oats are a popular breakfast option. To make them, soak half cup of rolled oats and half cup of nut milk in a jar. In the morning, stir and add berries, granola, and cinnamon to taste. Number 6. Bananas. Eating foods that are rich in potassium is better than taking supplements. Slice a banana into your cereal or oatmeal for a potassium-rich addition. You can also take one to go along with a boiled egg for a quick breakfast or snack. Number 7. Salmon, mackerel, and fish with omega-3s. Fish are a great source of lean protein. Fatty fish like mackerel and salmon are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and lower triglycerides. In addition to these fish sources, trout contains vitamin D. Foods rarely contain vitamin D, and this hormone-like vitamin has properties that can lower blood pressure. One benefit of preparing fish is that it's easy to flavor and cook. To try it, place a fillet of salmon in parchment paper and season with herbs, lemon, and olive oil. Bake the fish in a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Number 8. Seeds. Unsalted seeds are high in potassium, magnesium, and other minerals are known to reduce blood pressure. Enjoy 1/4 cup of sunflower, pumpkin, or squash seeds as a snack between meals. Number 9. Garlic and herbs. One review trusted source notes that garlic can help reduce hypertension by increasing the amount of nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps promote vasodilation, or the widening of arteries, to reduce blood pressure. Incorporating flavorful herbs and spices into your daily diet can also help you cut back on your salt intake. Examples of herbs and spices you can add include basil, cinnamon, thyme, rosemary, and more. Number 10. Dark chocolate. A 2015 study found that eating dark chocolate is associated with a lower risk for cardiovascular disease, CVD. The study suggests that up to 100 grams per day of dark chocolate may be associated with a lower risk of CVD. Dark chocolate contains more than 60% cocoa solids and has less sugar than regular chocolate. You can add dark chocolate to yogurt or eat it with fruits, such as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, as a healthy dessert. Find a great selection of dark chocolate on Amazon.com. Number 11. Pistachios. Pistachios are a healthy way to decrease blood pressure by reducing peripheral vascular resistance, or blood vessel tightening, and heart rate. One study trusted source found that a diet with one serving of pistachios a day helps reduce blood pressure. You can incorporate pistachios into your diet by adding them to crusts, pesto sauces, and salads, or by eating them plain as a snack. Number 12. Olive oil. Olive oil is an example of a healthy fat. It contains polyphenols, which are inflammation-fighting compounds that can help reduce blood pressure. Olive oil can help you meet your 2 to 3 daily servings of fat as part of the DASH diet. It's also a great alternative to canola oil, butter, or commercial salad dressing. Number 13. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are a healthy fruit that you can enjoy raw or as a juice. One study concluded that drinking a cup of pomegranate juice once a day for 4 weeks helps lower blood pressure over the short term. Pomegranate juice is tasty with a healthy breakfast. So these are the 13 foods that help lower blood pressure. If you like our content, then subscribe to our channel for more videos of guide health and benefits.